Is this YouTube? Am I on YouTube? Am I on camera? I am on camera, aren't I?
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity.
Hi guys. So, I'm using my lovely little phone right here. Today, actually, I am getting some new things for my camera to upgrade my quality for YouTube because my camera hasn't been really working. I don't know why. I think it's just the actual card, the memory card, because the battery turns on the camera, so it can't be the battery, right? I don't know. So I bought some more batteries. I only have one, and then I bought some new, I bought a new card, more memory. I believe it's like a 200 and, is it 250 something? Something like that. Just more memory, which will be good for the long run. And then I bought an actual like metal cage for the camera because my M50, you know, it is smaller. And isn't it, I just love it, it's so pretty. It is a smaller camera, and so with that, you know, when it comes to holding it, it can be a bit, at least for me, it's not that bad, I guess, but it can be a bit, interesting. See? Anyway, yeah, I'm excited to get the new metal cage that I'm gonna put around the camera, make it bigger, and it's a long time coming, but I'm upgrading. Actually, I'm getting a microphone for the camera for the first time ever. When I edit the videos and whatnot, I always make sure that I, you know, put the volume up on the videos, and so I won't have to really do that anymore because I'll have a professional microphone, so that's gonna be really cool. I think it's really fun getting new equipment. I love it. It's so cool.
Oh, little Amazon. Oh my goodness. The box.
Okay. My little gimbal. That's cool. New SD card. This is a 256 one instead of 108. I believe it is, this is like the thing that you put over the microphone, which my microphone won't get here until later. Oh my goodness, these are, yes, I love when they pack products really nicely like that. You get like the cloth and everything. This feels really expensive. I believe this is the batteries. Oh my gosh, yes. Hopefully they work for my camera. What I bring you. This is a double battery charger. That's gonna be so awesome to use. And last but not least, I'm going to assume that this lovely thing is the beautiful cage that I put on my camera. Yeah, I guess you can just rip it, right? Did that do anything? Oh, okay. It did something. Oh, pretty packaging. I love how that opened. This was very nicely priced, by the way. It's metal. Oh my gosh, it feels so amazing. Lord have mercy. It's freezing. Wow, that's stunning. That's beautifully crafted. Let me get my camera. Hopefully the lighting's not too crazy. But I took the lens off the camera so we can try to put on this rig right here. So there's a screw. Lovely little screw. So I finally got this small rig on the camera. It was so not dumb, but like I knew that the screw at the bottom, it had to do something with screwing into the actual camera part, but I was like, but wait, that's the screw that I use to put the gimbal on or whatnot. But I guess since I could put it right here, I mean, this is another one, and I tried to like watch a few videos or whatever. Things happens, I figured it out on my own. Lord have mercy. But anyway, I'm opening this now. This is the gimbal part. Look how adorable that looks. Oh my god. I had watched a video on certain things to get for your M50 or whatever. This pretty blue gimbal. It's actually really stunning. And it's heavy. Like it's metal, I believe, or aluminum. It's really nice. It's the Joby. I believe the ball head moves. Yeah, that's so cool. And see, it doesn't move right now, but when you press the button, it moves all the way around. That's so awesome. We got it. Oh my goodness. Ta-da. M50 life. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm a vlogger now. So there we go, guys. Yeah. Can you see me? I'm alive. I'm alive. Hello guys. Good morning. It is Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas. I've been up for a bit. I woke up around 5 this morning and did some makeup. Shaved because my face needed a shaving, but I'm doing really good today. Look at my gay flag. I finally hung my flag up. It looks beautiful. My bestie got it for me, and then my twinkle lights, just beautiful. But we haven't opened any presents yet. I think presents make me uncomfortable now that I think about it. Like, I feel bad getting gifts for some reason, weirdly enough, but that's okay, I guess. I guess that's my thing that I have to get over. I don't know if you guys can even see my makeup. Let me see if I can put it up a bit so you guys can see. Oh, there we go. So bright. Shine bright like a diamond. Oop, I don't want to get copyrighted. Shine bright like a diamond. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna watch La Brea I'm gonna finish that up. Season 1. Yesterday, I actually finished Money Heist, the full show. I watched it from the beginning. I finished the full thing on Netflix. The ending was really amazing. It was a wow. It was a wowzer. And I highly suggest checking it out because it's really good. Oh, close up of the makeup. If you want a tutorial, let me know. I'd love to film one for you guys. I have a sweater. Sweater.
That's for you. Alright.
Paper is gorgeous though. Hi, hello. I'm alive. I'm awake. I did not fall asleep. I'm just awake. But I wanted to just talk because as I was typing in something on the internet, I wanted to share it with you guys because I don't really turn on my camera as much, and I need to, and I should fucking vlog it, you know, have it in the atmosphere so I can look back at it, or you can look back at it. It's fun looking back at vlogs and whatnot. Okay, so basically, little Jen's over here. I was looking up chocolate chip cookie recipes because I want to make some chocolate chip cookies. It just came to me because I told my mother that I would make it a bit ago, and I was just like, yeah, I think it's time. And so just looked on Google, typed in great chocolate chip cookie recipes. Turned off my radio. I typed in great chocolate chip cookie recipes and I found a recipe. It's really simple. You got your sugar, your brown sugar, your butter, your flour, your salt, and then your vanilla, and then your chocolate chips, of course. Ta-da! The best chocolate chip cookie recipe ever. Doesn't it look amazing? Oh my goodness. Now, I don't know if mine is going to turn out like that, but I would love for that to happen. That would be iconic. That would be amazing. I'd feel like an actual baker. It's not my first time making cookies. I've done that before. Actually, I've done it a few times. I might be a pro. I don't know. Maybe I'm just gassing myself up a bit too much, probably. I'm actually really, really excited to try this recipe, even though it seems really like the just basic ingredient. There's nothing like, you know, special to it, like a secret ingredient or whatnot. But I'm really really excited. It's gonna taste really good. my warp tie. I also just wanted to show you guys my makeup with my iPhone. I cannot believe that what is today? Oh my goodness. I believe it's 30th? 30th, Mr. 30. Yes, 30. I cannot believe in 2 days, give or take, New Year's. It's the new year. Like, that is crazy. I'm really, really excited for that. I know it's gonna be good. I actually just bought a planner. Well, I bought Good Notes online on the app. I bought the app Good Notes, and I downloaded a free planner from this YouTuber. I'll put it right here. But love her. Found her, I believe yesterday. No, not yesterday. The day before yesterday, and I binged her videos. They were so good. I can't wait to support spending the money, because she has really, really nice planners in an Etsy shop that I would love to just spend my money on. I downloaded some more productive apps on my iPad because I want to use it more for productivity as well as having fun for next year. I think that just all of it, like, it's my iPad, it's my 12.9 baby, and you know, all that money going into it, you want to get something out of it. And yeah, I use it for YouTube and watching Netflix and YouTube and whatnot, but I want to use it for productivity because that's also important, and I like it. And so that's one of my things that I want to do next year. I don't even want to say goals. I don't even want to say goals because the word. I want to, and I'm going to start actually writing in the planner and writing in it's called a 5-minute journal. Just type in 5-minute journal on Google, 5-minute journal PDF, I believe, and you can get a 5-minute journal delivered to your email and use it every day. And so I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna try it right now. I'm excited, and that's really awesome. It's so, oh my goodness, I'm just like, I can't wait for 2022. It's my year of peace and putting in the effort for what I want. Fashion, makeup, YouTube, my brand, Dazzling Jen's brand, and just everything. So I'm excited. I hope that you all are doing good. And I took some photos. I did some TikToks today. I'm gonna post some Instagram photos later. If I did post them, I'll put them up here. Just thank you for watching. I love you all so much. Always and forever sparkle. Very important for your mental health and just everything. And if you love the video, if you love the channel, you know what to do.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.